today's video, I'm gonna talk about HubSpot. HubSpot is a customer relationship management CRM platform that offers a variety of tools for marketing, sales, and customer service. It's designed to help business attract and encourage customers, manage their interactions with them, and immediately turn them into loyal advocates. So those are information provided by Wikipedia. Let's head to the website. One of the things I like about HubSpot is its user-friendly interface. It's easy to navigate and use even if you don't have a lot of technical expertise. Let's allow the cookies here. Why? And some guide questions. So let's click on get start for free. Wait, before that, I like the blue one. Get start for free. There are plenty of helpful resources available to help you to get started, including tutorials and webinars. So to create your free account, you can use your email address or you can sign up with Microsoft or Google. Uh, let's sign up for Google. I will be cutting this in. After entering your email and logging in, they will ask you what industry you are in. So the category you will get help with this website. So let's say entertainment. Next, what is your job role? Chef. Those are just some examples. Company name, Madara, for example. How many people work at your company? You can set whatever depend on your company. Say just one. You can put the company website here. For me, I have no website, so I can't go next. So I can head to the menu. So another thing I appreciate is the range of features and integrations available with HubSpot. For example, you can use it to create landing page and forms, send email marketing campaigns, track website, analytics, and more. There are also integration with popular tools like Salesforce, Zoom, and Stack. So the home of the website HubSpot is simple. You can create your account and log to it. Here you can get a free demo. So what is HubSpot? HubSpot is, as I said earlier in the video, CRM platform with all the software integration and research you need to connect marketing, sales, content management, and customer service. Each product in the platform is powered on its own, but the real magic happens when you use them together. So here are the plans: Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, Service Hub, CMS Hub, Operations Hub. Hmm. So there is a live chat in HubSpot that can help if you need any kind of help. You can toggle it here. So here we have the categories and plans. Here we have the pricing, the research. You can get the help you need. Here you can contact the owner. to get help. So you can switch the language from here. Let's start the demo. So here, to start a demo, you need to fill up the marketing sales, your information, company name, website URL, and how many employees. So as signing in. So I will fill it with random information and we will get it to you. So after filling all the informations, click on get a free demo. By clicking on it, here is your demo video and you can start. That means your account has been created, ready to get started. You can click get started for free. They will show you how to use. Those are the plans. Starting CRM search. Essentially tools for creating contents and generating new leads. Streamlining sales outreach and closing more deals and others. So overall, I think HubSpot is a great choice for business looking for a comprehensive CRM platform that's easy to use and offers a wide range of features. It's powerful tool that can help you streamline your marketing, sales, and customer service efforts, and ultimately grow your business. So you can read articles, learn how to grow. Those are some statistics. So the main page was easy. You can find anything easily. You can get help if you need to. The live chat is fast. You can get a free training, get started with free chat with sales team. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our videos. And see you on the next video. If you got any questions or you need help, just ask us in the comments and I'm available to respond to your comments. Thanks for watching and goodbye.